Yes, excellent marks.
I say outstanding.
Yes, and the boss to some person here. So we teach our class. Na akwadaa no a wono de bia wo twa 100% no. Sabi sa wo kwakwesa wono na wo de beko. Enti Ghana man pani person wo kire say e vice versa no ka kire ya na se ye ne yante na se ye. Misada me hwe no. Sa no man pani na dan ka kire ye say ne finance minister ya wono true covid era no nyina no wo lead yen captain or captain yen ya wo de ye twa apokoko no adenti na adodode abade a e wo se sideline no da bi wono an wo de ne ko to me ya se omu nyina abo adwuma nto omu nyina abo adwuma de a adwasafo so bo adwuma because adwasafo person wo nyina because the na free from hoba no boss na nya de papa wo the na free mpasu ahodo so eba concerning Keno for Riata no. One say competi a cancer no a form of
say
abro be
by the end of the month. Cowboy constituency by constituency press conferences are party for years say omo catch nanando say and kenya kra. I don't know say whether they have intel, they have ears on the ground. Minim omote. So what omote?
Boss omote o.
Minini
omote boss.
Yeah, because say Jubilee House ote. Near free form but even within NPP, it shouldn't take the MPs to do a press conference. No, it shouldn't take them to do a press conference. They know the grounds are just not good. Here now, the most what word should I use? The most tedious and difficult job what Ghana is here. NPP communicator.
Yes.
A Juma haya dimpa kesiye bako.
Yes.
Emma gawa Ghana ha uye bia wo bre pa ye NPP communicator. Because all the trust here. Near the question near the same go apro so a. Ya wo de tie wo mo. The only thing I say odoye smart no. Na NDC ni na akofum. No, I can't be no no hammer because
he has nothing to say.
The only thing I want to my eye is to appeal to Ghanaians to exercise patience, exercise constraint, because it say adia no ya Barcelona efie
ubi ehu
hey wo de ene din say wo defend emfa wo mu bro
omo na ewu de ombe kana de ne ma de se nyena.
Why ni? Why ni? See out here. A come to be a overtime confano chat. What the Abro side? There be your name, maybe how when it becomes butter and bread. Car coin Ghana for granted. Now there be our cats as away. No one out. Say Ghana nears and a new man or okay.
Not a Ghana for him and another Danko for Waya.
Not a Ghana for him, say free as Ghana phone him say 2020. Yes, Yana Nadu or Kroma. Any decisions will take here. Can cover the mini. So why are Ghanaians talking now?
Yes.
Why are they talking now? Because and you may be try and they believe, sir, you can change the tide.
Yes.
You can. Uye be brave, you bet my and ne. Jidia Ghana phone and Adubono. They are disappointed because now be a ufi say to me be I'll be disappointed. Because you have been disappointed.
Because we expect to be
more. You should share free war. And you know, I will never be disappointed because when himself won't be yet. But if somebody says he's disappointed, it means he was.
Yes.
He expects and knows, say you are capable.
Exactly.
But one yet. That is why the person will say, "Ma do who ya?" Because me nimsa deal with my yam and abuso. My better hand up. That morning show. Do popo do me at time. Everyone say. Phobias, how am I in a palm and dinner? Yes, I don't know what to do. You only submit my yabru near me, and so that's all. Ghanaians know Nanado can deliver. And this money for Bakum Yanubi, a stumbling block for that delivery. That's the bottom line.
And before taking decision, upon Paul, I went to me a focal error. Decision we take because some who say automatically also we need power. No who says uncle for no ideologies near idea or more take on a uncle for no can who tell say penny and pa decision we take you know. Na Ghana for be crackers. Eh, no be a more con cabo muko na mono year man for Ghana for Kasaya Nanso. best na wo no mo ye adwuma no so no so bo adwuma enti automatically no enema nketen adwosa fokura de na nka wo se ye twa na suoja kura suoja na nka wo se ye ne to asuo na ja kura epupu obo asuo wo domi kwabenya na nka wo so dasu kache ba bi kura every say na do dankwa kufu ado ho sade enema sikika kɔ no so opese wo wi ni Ghana for heart ba e was wo take decision a ye bold na in life on so ade ba ko a de pa na say wo take decision sa wo no wo yere creative fie wo no wo batifie wo take decision eya na eden papa
that is what makes you a leader,
but enye wo bia
that is what makes you unique. Share my first coup d'etat NPP for you book no mu say o man pani jo mama say ontumi take decision. How many times I want to say NPP 40 ha omode no botia no kra say magana phone to Obama no
obi president ya
or no ontumi take decision anameba.
Yes,
good. So we candy for na assemble to now the wada na akwete say ma memre say meye menya the hope of the people is dwindled.
eno na ye kekakui
One make because for your 80 MPs to come and tell you say Nanama we change. Is it say MPs no munim say IMF for a negotiations? They know.
Yes.
They are in parliament for the 2022-2023 budget. And the omunim say budget beba.
Yes.
Omunim can for ya so na budget in wajuma. And the other and on make catch say man in tranche.
Yes.
At this crucial moment.
Yes.
It means say they know say second tranche ya obi betima ye adwuma no.
But on say come now on the doctor.
But the president does not have that hope in almost everybody within the NPP except Ken.
Boss on say now on the doctor ye interview to see and who push you no question be na me reception na me bomb say ma opa. Say I say the omo ye no press conference I say ma save yen democracy na say NPP party na free bibi mu ana e ho no one head that mouth straight answer but we don't say we hu the
emwa we mu no Ghana for omo kasa amomie nhwe omo yi. Now mawie quick response na yawie afi mumie kwa ye main issue so na same omampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency Aba Kasa Afa Ghana economy no on the anything economy no metini din pe na emisre so I said the mati Elvis every year ankra meti sa kwa we din pe na makai mi krom se kube ba ko ye ton ne sen tamukai on the etim ko Brazil o free Ghana kube ne day Elvis a free ankra under John Dramani Mahama NDC no ono nko atimi tuhu no ko Brazil no akwa